Alright, so here we are. Today we're going to go ahead and install this SPAL fan. So I've been chasing an overheating issue, and after watching a bunch of videos, it turns out that the issue may actually all along been the fan that I'm using, because it's this pusher style. So allegedly the fan that this SPAL fan is the way to go. Great warranty, 3 years, and it's a great pusher fan. So the part number is, for those of you looking, 301-02048. So let's go ahead and take out the fan that's in there now. Alright, so first things first, let's get these bolts out. Alright, so the issue with this fan is, you see the distance between the fan and the radiator. So allegedly, from all the research I've done, that's bad. Pusher fans have to be right up against it. So I'll show you the contrast once we put the new fan on. Go ahead. There we go. Alright, let's install the new one. Alright, so unlike the other one which was screwed in, this one is using these. And you have to kind of fish them through the fins very delicately. Spot. So, that's going to go in there. It's a little bit hard to see, but what we want to do is put this in first. This goes against the radiator to keep the radiator safe from crushing. Now, alright, so nothing interfered, everything cleared, just barely, but it cleared, and the fan is secured properly. So let's go ahead and test this. Alright, so now for the final item, and that's you have to run a 30 amp fuse. That's what that fan is rated for. So let's go ahead and put this in and see how she responds. Wires, make sure that they don't get hot. So right now she's keeping around 188. It's about an 80 degree night, so she is sweet spotting right now. She's running way better than she was before. She wasn't even doing any of this. So I think we cracked part of the nut. I think we're gonna have to figure out though how to pull also. And that means creating a lot of space, which we currently don't have. So stay tuned for that.